Hello and welcome back. Earlier, we were doing material selection on bike frame design. And recall, before the material selection process, we were actually looking at two different clients and looking at the objective of the material selection. The first client were a road biker, and they wanted a lightweight road bike so that they can go fast. So the objective here is lower the mass. And through material selection, we end up with carbon fiber reinforced plastic to be the material of choice for lightweight bike. On our left-hand side, what we were looking at is another client that is a city commuter. And they wanted something, instead of lightweight, they want low cost. And through material selection, we end up with a steel frame that is most appropriate for this kind of bike, low cost bike. To be fully honest with you, both of these bikes are mine, and I love them both. Both of them serve different purpose though. On the weekday, I would use this steel bike to commute from point A to point B. Before I arrive to work, I would lock this steel bike on the street, and I really don't want it to be stolen. So my objective here is low cost so that it deters the thief. On the weekend, however, I want to actually have fun. I want to go fast. So this is my road bike. This road bike is significantly lighter, and my objective here is to lower the weight. So this bike actually is an aluminum frame and carbon fiber fork. Personally, I do not have the cash to actually afford a full carbon bike, but a full carbon bike will be even lighter. Now recall, the first things that we were trying to select is a steel frame that have an objective of lowering its cost. This aluminum carbon bike worth approximately $1,000 something bucks, whereas the steel bike worth only $300 bucks. So you can see, by choosing the different materials, we actually significantly lower the cost. Now I actually have another luggage weight, or luggage scale, that I can now show you through material selection by changing from steel to, let's say, carbon fiber and aluminum frame, how much weight we can save. Bear in mind, this is not a full carbon bike, so a full carbon bike would be even lighter. So now let's have a look of the steel bike and find out how heavy it is. So I can tell you in advance, this thing is heavy. So approximately 15 kilograms. Now let's look at the half aluminum, half carbon fiber bike. Let me just zero this first. I love this bike, it's so light. So approximately 10 kilograms. So simply going from steel to aluminum carbon fiber, we just went from 15 kilograms to 10 kilograms, approximately 30% weight saving. Again, bear in mind, if I have a carbon fiber bike to show you, this will be even lighter than 10 kilograms, making that difference of what you're saving even more significant. So hopefully you have learned something about the material selection process and what it's capable of doing. Thank you very much, and have a good day.